Members, today I rise to adjourn in memory of Jim Caldwell, who passed away on August 2nd. Jim spent his early life in Campbell, California, and graduated from San Jose State with a degree in business and marketing. After graduating, he moved to Los Angeles, where he spent many years filling houses, working as a sales rep for a wholesale houseware company. The family migrated from Southern California to Santa Barbara in 1993, and he earned his real estate license in the year 2000 and joined the Santa Barbara Board or Association of Realtors. He did not intend on selling real estate full-time as a profession, but it turned out that way, and because of that, we also got a great board member for our local Board of Realtors. He loved the Association of Realtors, which was evident through his tireless volunteer hours. In addition to his role as president in 2012, he served as a director of the California Association of Realtors for 5 years. He was one of those people who you knew when you were doing something that he loved, and you knew when you weren't. And he had witty conversation, positive feedback and attitude, professionalism, and caring words that all will be greatly missed. He was passionate about government affairs and tirelessly worked for the preservation of private property rights and freedoms and for the Association of Realtors. He passed away very suddenly. My condolences to his family. I'm glad we got one last party during Fiesta together, and Jim will be sorely missed.